Namaskar, myself Swain Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today that is 17th February 2024. This is the minimum temperature during past 24 hours. Here you can see that minimum temperature between 9 to 12 degrees centigrade over northern parts of India. Here you can see that departure is also in normal range from Punjab to Bihar and adjoining central India. This is the maximum temperature. It stayed also between 18 to 25 degrees centigrade over the central and adjoining northwest India. And this is the departure. Here you can see the departure is central India and adjoining India is near normal, and in northwest and adjoining western Himalayan in India is positive trend. This is the highlight. And intense spell of rainfall, snowfall activity likely over western Himalayan from tonight to 22nd and over adjoining plain from 29 to 22nd February 2024. This is the synoptic system of today. One cyclonic circulation lies over East Assam and neighborhood in lower troposphere level, and one trough from coastal Karnataka to south Gujarat is also in lower troposphere level. This is the rainfall snowfall warning. Here you can see that heavy rainfall is likely to expected from tomorrow, that is 18, 19 and 20th. Here you can see that Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh is likely to expected heavy rainfall or snowfall on 18. On 19, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, heavy to very heavy rainfall with snowfall also expected. On day 4, that is 20th, Himachal, Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand expected heavy rainfall or snowfall on day 4. Day 5, no heavy rainfall or snowfall warning. This is the hailstorm warning over this region. Tomorrow, Western Himalayan region, entire Jammu Kashmir, especially Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand is likely to expected hailstorm. On 19th, over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana and northern parts of Rajasthan. On day 4, that is 20th, same Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, West UP and northern part of Rajasthan. On day 5 only, Uttarakhand is likely to expected hailstorm. And now this is the district-wise weather warning. For Jammu and Kashmir, you can see that rainfall activity is likely to expected from tomorrow. Moderate to heavy rainfall is expected from tomorrow. Here you can see that northern parts of Jammu Kashmir likely to expected activity from tomorrow onward. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and on 20th, the activity is likely to continue over the especially northern and adjoining central district of Jammu Kashmir. This is the Himachal Pradesh. Thunderstorm activity from today onward in some districts at Chamba, Manali, Kullu and Kangra, and it is likely to increase in rainfall activity with thunderstorm, hailstorm and gusty wind from tomorrow onward. You can see that northern part and central Himachal Pradesh is expected good rainfall amount from tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is day 2, day 3, and day 4 is also continuing some district at Chamba in southern parts of Himachal Pradesh on day 4. On day 5, only light thunderstorm is expected with light to moderate rainfall over on day 5 in Himachal Pradesh. This is for Uttarakhand. Same here from day tomorrow, that is day 2, the northern Uttarakhand is likely to expected thunderstorm and heavy rainfall. On day 3, day 4 is expected entire Uttarakhand is all expected heavy rainfall or heavy snowfall. On day 5 only light to moderate thunderstorm over and hailstorm in southern parts of Uttarakhand. This is for Punjab. From tomorrow, the West Punjab is expected thunderstorm lightning in isolated places. On day 3, day 4 you can see that entire Punjab, especially north and central Punjab covered on day 3. On day 4 is only northern parts and adjoining central parts of Punjab. On day 5 is reduced, only in East Punjab expected some light thunderstorm activity. Now I am discussing about the Haryana. Here you can see that on day 1, day 2 no weather warning. On day 3 weather warning is expected thunderstorm, lightning, hailstorm over northern parts and central parts of Haryana. On day 4 same as day 3, but on day 5 is reduced, only for especially northern parts only some thunderstorm and gusty wind expected on day 5. This is for weather warning for Rajasthan on day 2, day 3, that is 19th and 20th. Only the northern parts of Rajasthan, especially Hanumangarh, Churu, Junjunu is expected hailstorm on day 2. On day 3 over Churu, Junjunu, Alwar, Bharatpur or Dholpur. And rest of the northern parts of other district is likely to expected thunderstorm in these places. Thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.